Exactly 8 minutes after 6. And we got a beautiful artist in the place right now. Welcome to the Suncity Airwaves. Joining us is Precious Shorty. Introduce yourself to the 104.9 of our listeners.
Hey, what's good, what's good? My name is Precious Shorty. I'm from the Cayman Islands. And I'm right here in Jamaica jamming with you.
Well, welcome to the beautiful island of Jamaica. Tell us a little bit about, back in Cayman. What is it like growing up? And the transition in the UK. Yeah, so.
Well, the Cayman Islands is 3 islands.
Right.
I'm from Grand Cayman, which is the biggest one.
Right.
Growing up it's a really, really small island. Like, we got like 2 high schools, 3 Burger Kings. Well, when I was growing up, it was only 1 high school, so like we kind of flourished a little bit.
Wonderful. You're now based in the UK. How did your musical, aspirations come about?
So I always did music when I was younger, when I was a kid.
Right.
And then I'm an only child for both of my parents. So I didn't really have them siblings to kind of push me.
So you're a spoiler, okay.
Yeah, that's very true. I could take it. But yeah, so when I was in high school and primary school and high school, I had a lot of support from the teachers and everything. But then when I came out of school,
Right.
you find that system is kind of like spread.
Right.
So I didn't have as much confidence. So I started modeling. I went to America and I got an international model degree to build my confidence. That was my therapeutic factor.
Right.
Then when I went to the UK, I was like, okay, it's my time now. And that was it.
So you build the confidence
Yeah.
from doing the modeling.
Right.
Now you're doing music.
Yes.
You are a rapper dancehall artist.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'll classify that with, because there's trap dance I know, as a new genre. So
Yeah.
you're a rapper
Right.
and a dancehall artist.
Right.
I think you're fusing something very new right now.
Yeah, they seem to do something a bit different, and I love both of them. I grew up listening to dancehall. Obviously, Jamaica's right beside
Right.
the Cayman Islands.
Right.
Yeah, all of the beautiful artists that I have here, and that is instilled in me. And then I also listen to a lot of rap. So then what I did was collaborate the both music that I love as one. It
Fuse
came
both.
to Precious Shorty. Yeah.
How does a music person like you, like yourself, is able to balance?
You know what? The key factor in life is balance. Is one of the hardest things to do. If you can balance everything, you got to good. So balance is always, a challenge,
Right.
but it's just about putting your priorities in check and moving forward.
Tell us about Breakthrough. Tell us about that single.
So basically, Breakthrough is a song telling you to come out of any negative circle and bad mind people, anything that is not clean to you, because you have people that can hold you back and you have people that can make you flourish. And I think every single person in life has been through that. So why not sing about it? It's positive, you know what I mean? Just break through.
That is true.
Yeah.
What was the inspiration behind this song? Well, you basically just told us that.
Yeah.
How long have you been on the island so far?
In Jamaica, 24 hours.
Oh, so from yesterday to today?
Yes, I come to you first, right here.
That's good. No, that is special. Are you working on any additional projects so far?
So I just released my EP,
Right.
and it's called Breakthrough, because that's what we're doing.
That's a good idea.
And then I have my mixtape that's coming out in April 2020.
Right.
It's an original mixtape, so it's in the working right now.
Right.
Yeah. That's gonna be something special.
Well, I hope I get them first.
Okay, I gotta have you on my priority list.
Alright, so we're going to be taking a listen to the song. That's Breakthrough from Precious Shorty right now. So open your ears, people, and tell me what's happening. 876-392-6217. That's the WhatsApp line. You can give your feedback also. Alright?
It's getting serious on the track now.
They don't know me and already wanna stop me. You have to handle, but they still don't wanna drop me. I'm coming like a force and you just gotta cut me. It ain't my fault that the thing just little pressure show.
It sounds like something on my playlist already. And I love hip hop, and this is good.
Thank you.
tell us where people can actually find you on social media.
Like, I'm on all social media platforms, but if you type in www.preciousshortee.com,
Yeah.
you can find me everywhere. But the Shorty is spelled SHORDEE. That's it.
D-E-E.
Yes, Shorty. I'm so short. Shorty, like spread it out.
Well, that is good, you know. All right, so that's, is there anybody you'd like to shout out right now?
Yo, right now I'm gonna big up Empress Misha. She's the best.
Hey, Empress.
Okay. Shout out to Suncity as well, the radio station, and big up Cayman Islands and Jamaica and England because they're my 3 keys. Okay. I love these places. Okay. That's it. Obviously the family, and you know, just pure love. One love to everybody.
Shorty, I want to thank you for passing through, which is precious. I need to add the precious to it. It's precious, Shorty.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. I want to thank you for passing through today.
You're welcome.
All right. I'm surely endorsing this because I really love this song.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's hot.
So just mash it up in the car one time.
Yes.